Hello and welcome to another update video on Bonk. Here on the Bonk chart, what we're tracking is potentially a fifth wave that could be in the making. It might even take the price here to 140,446 or even 262,195. That is from where we are now, round about an increase of 300 to even 600, no, even 700%. But obviously, relevant support levels need to hold to keep this potential alive. The idea is that a fourth wave bottomed in April, and we're now moving up in a sequence of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to complete this structure. The idea is that, potentially a wave 2 bottomed here in June, and we're now in this third wave to the upside. So with a pattern like that we're tracking, we know that a third wave should normally reach the 138% extension. That's at 49672. We're not there yet, but with one more high, we could get there. And then, overall, we could move closer to those targets that I just mentioned. Just want to start here on the larger time frame to get everybody a bit more familiar with the broader wave pattern and structure that we're tracking here. So if we zoom in a little bit and here take a look at the nanostructures, then what you can see on this chart is a support zone highlighted on the chart in orange. That's a Fibonacci support zone here for a fourth wave pullback. So, the idea is that some kind of a third wave topped here. At the moment, I've labeled it circle wave 3 within a larger third wave. We're now in a fourth wave, and that is kind of very much in line what we see right now on the chart. So structure hasn't changed since we entered that range, because these sideways ranges, they are often signals that indeed a wave 4 is unfolding, as you can see here in a sideways range. And this wave 4 should unfold as an ABC structure, absolutely. And the A wave might have bottomed. The B wave could be a triangle, so we might move a little bit more sideways here. Could be that at the moment an internal D wave of that triangle is unfolding. We might get a bounce in an E wave before we then go down, but if we break down directly, it is what it is. It's a sideways range that's been going on now for a week or so, a bit more than that even. So the market hasn't really done anything exciting. We've just been moving between the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement here at 31002 and the resistance area that's up here, right? So we're just moving between support and resistance, which is quite interesting. It's just ranging. Interesting, but also boring. And overall, the idea is that the market probably should form another low here. At least it looks like that. But again, not really bearish, just sort of in the sense of, another dip to complete this ABC correction that we're tracking in the support zone. So A wave down, B wave, and then the C wave. So basically just a normal 3-wave correction, which could then lead to the next leg to the upside. So that is how I track this at the moment. This B wave might just move a bit more sideways before we start the C wave decline. Now, I have to say, if we get any break above the intraday high that formed here at 36969, it might even indicate we've bottomed already, because any break above this swing high in a triangle would invalidate the triangle and might even lead to a direct breakout. But that remains to be seen, because this is just a sideways range for now. And the rally from the last low there on Wednesday the 23rd was only a 3-wave move up, so I technically don't have any evidence that a low has formed, and it's just sideways consolidation. Market hasn't fully made up its mind yet. It basically tries to do a lot of things at once. So I see it as a B wave with potentially, that one more low there to come. And in terms of, where could this end? Well, we've got a few levels here that matter. Especially here, the 100% extension level at 29530, and then the 38.2 retracement is a very important one at 26231. So that's the update on Bonk. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us in our membership. If you're interested, check it out. You can just watch the video on our channel page. Helps you understand what's included in the membership. There are member-only updates as a thank you for those who support us. So, for example, Ondo was updated today. Then we had Kronos yesterday, Pepe, Render, and so on. Check it out. You also get access to our member live stream. In addition to that, if you're a gold member, you even get access to our Discord server. Can communicate with the community, ask questions on Discord. You can get access to our Elliott Wave course. It's an Elliott Wave trading course just to understand everything that I learn. I want to communicate that in the course. That's included. Lots of educational material, lots of Tradingview live charts, and much more. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.